Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Audi e-tron GT. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Start by sketching a long, low rectangle to represent the car's main body. This initial shape will guide your entire drawing. Next, mark the wheelbase, which is roughly 2/3 of the vehicle's overall length, and indicate the front and rear axle positions. Finally, lightly sketch the elegant, sloping roofline, aiming for that distinctive, sporty coupe profile. This foundational step is crucial for an accurate representation. Now, let's refine the body's unique shape and contours. Focus on capturing the e-tron GT's wide, athletic stance and its remarkably low center of gravity. Carefully outline the characteristic quattro blisters, which are the pronounced bulges above each wheel arch, giving it a powerful look. Connect the front and rear with smooth, flowing lines, emphasizing the broad shoulders and muscular haunches that define its dynamic presence. Pay close attention to these subtle curves. With the main body established, it's time to add the crucial details that bring the e-tron GT to life. Begin by drawing the large, often 21-inch aerodynamic wheels, ensuring they fit proportionally within the wheel arches. Next, sketch the sharp, distinctive matrix LED headlights and the full-width taillight strip. Don't forget the inverted single-frame grille, a hallmark of Audi's electric vehicles, and the functional side air intakes. These elements are key to its identity. For the final touches, we'll focus on realism and depth. Carefully add subtle panel lines and door gaps to define the different sections of the car. Now, apply shading to create volume and highlight the e-tron GT's sculpted contours, paying attention to light sources. Use darker tones beneath the vehicle to ground it firmly on the surface. Finally, refine any reflections on the bodywork to suggest the sleek, metallic finish, bringing your drawing to a polished conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.